Alright, we're gonna start on the east side, right where the tree is. That's the city connection. Coming this way, everything is PVC. For the half bath, we gotta clean out and the wall clean out. This is the window from the half bath. Everything is PVC. However, we have the kitchen right here, laundry on the right side. Then we're coming out, everything is cast iron this way. That's the half bath. All right, so kitchen and laundry come this way towards the back of the house and turns going west. We got 45 feet, and it's right here is 2 feet 4 inches. All right, this is where I locate the coming outside from the 2 bathroom on the west side. Then the pipe turns, come this way, and all the way on the side by the AC. We got the master bathroom and the guest bathroom on the front. Keep going outside. And we can see the flights all the way to the electric pole.